Galaxy S8 may have arrived on shelves mere months ago, but reports claim that Samsung has already started production of next year's flagship, the Galaxy S9. We've done some digging, and this isn't all we know about the so-called Galaxy S9, so we've rounded up everything we know about the handset so far. Also, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has purportedly already been rated on popular benchmark tool, Geekbench. The Geekbench listing refers to the handset as Samsung SMG 965F. So we can assume the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus will come with 5.8-inch and 6.2-inch infinity display that covers the entire front of the phone. The body will, once again, be water-resistant and made out of glass and metal. Also, it seems that the fingerprint scanner will be embedded into the display. But we can't be 100% accurate. Moreover, the camera of the S9 will be an advanced version of the dual-lens camera currently found in the Galaxy Note 8. It might even be able to capture video at a rate of 1000 frames per second. We can expect some improvements in the selfie department, but no details are known about the front camera. Under the hood, the Galaxy S9 will come with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 or Samsung's own next-generation Exynos, depending on where you live. There will be at least 6GB of RAM and 64GB, or more, of internal storage. Anyway guys, we're not responsible or guarantee that the information on this video is 100% accurate. But, what do you think about this newcomer? Let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned for the latest tech news.